Hey adventurers, let's gear up for great adventures in Gubbio and Civitavecchia, Italy, as we let geocaching be our tour guide to find unexpected delights, experiencing local life in these intriguing Italian locales. Hey adventurers, I'm Jay.
I'm Laura. And we're the LANMonkeys.
In this multi-part series of our time exploring the Mediterranean, using geocaching as our tour guide, we'll learn about ourselves as well as other cultures and places. Thank you to Landsharks for hosting this experience. After our amazing experiences in Florence and San Marino, it was time to make our way back across the Italian boot to the city of Gubbio, an amazing stop on our way towards the west coast. Wow. So we are here at this ancient mausoleum, possibly built around 16 AD, with Team Read My Lips, and we found the traditional cache here. Definitely worth the stop if you are coming to Gubbio to check things out, because there's only two caches right now in Gubbio. There's a traditional here, there's a virtual that we're going to go to next as we explore the town of Gubbio. So our next stop in Gubbio is another ancient site, an ancient Roman theater. The ruins here to come investigate. There's no geocache here, but what a remarkable place to investigate. So here behind me we have the ruins of the old Roman theater here in town. Easy to get to, really cool to check out. If you want to actually go inside the gate and walk around in the ruins, which you can do, it'll cost you €3. There's a little credit card admission system there. You can buy your ticket in the museum right next door as well. So if you want to check it out, a little more detail, absolutely worth doing. Late April, we're getting close to May. And the weather here is just beautiful. It's sunny, there's just a light cloud in the sky most days. And man, we're just enjoying Italy so much. Such a beautiful, beautiful place to be in central Italy here. Just taking it all in. This is why we travel. Our next stop, adventurers, will be that virtual cache we told you about. It's an homage to a popular detective series set here in Gubbio, where you assume the lead roles for a photo. So, after a brief stop in Gubbio and a lovely little lunch, we're now making our way back down to the bus to wrap this day up in Civitavecchia. Civitavecchia? I think that's how it's pronounced. Anyways, that's going to be the next place that we'll pick up this story with you as we continue along on today's adventure through Italy. Our adventure took us across Italy to Civitavecchia and the Tyrrhenian Sea coast, and our first impressions as we entered the city were a bit underwhelming. First impressions, this is a very industrial looking area. Civitavecchia is the major seaport near Rome, and with our first impressions aside, we checked into our hotel and got ready to explore like locals with geocaching as our tour guide. So first impressions of Civitavecchia it was a little rough, but second impressions?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not so bad.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Well guys, should we find some food and geocaches and other geocachers?
I think so. Let's do that.
Sounds like fun.
Voila. Okay.
Frenetico! And then it was time to bid bye-bye and board the bus to our cruise ship, bound for our next destination and our next episode in this series. Make sure you subscribe and follow us to come along as we uncover ancient buried treasures when we make our next stop in Naples.